Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be updating my K-pop room tour from 2017 to 2019, which will be my 2019 K-pop room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you so much for clicking it, and make sure to watch the entire thing. And yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. And I got the chance to work with Amino once again to try out their new Amino story feature, and honestly, I believe you guys would love it as much as I do. The story feature allows you to interact with different content, news, quizzes of your idols or groups, actresses, etc. that other K-pop fans might like just like you. The feature is super fun and easy to use. You're able to interact with other K-pop fans in the community as well, which I feel that really helps you discover K-pop in a whole new, different, and very unique way. That being said, I'm super excited to create new content for you guys, so make sure to go search for me, hhbunnie, click the follow and the bell button to make sure that you don't miss out. We'll have the link to Amino in my description box below, so make sure do not miss out on this opportunity. I'm pretty sure you guys will love it because it's a really interactive, super fun and unique way to interact with other K-pop fans and to keep updated and just to love and support your favorite groups, idols. Yes, super fun. And every time that you support me on Amino stories, it's basically the same thing as me creating YouTube videos on here. You supporting me really means a whole ton. Don't miss out. I'll see you there. So we're gonna start this room tour by starting at my door and then going to our right. I believe it's my right, your left. No, my right. I think it's actually both our same rights, but however you're watching this, we're gonna go this way towards the closet afterwards. So right at my door, I have my backpack hanging here. It's a backpack that I don't use too often, especially not for school, but for if I have to sleep somewhere for a couple of extra nights. It really has a lot of storage in there, surprisingly. And on the backpack, I have a few pins on there, and as well as this penguin plushie. Yeah, and so yeah, I like to leave it there just for the quote-unquote aesthetic of it. And this right here is my closet. If you guys have seen a K-pop room tour of mine 2 years ago that I did in 2017, I was doing a huge, but not so huge, revamping of my room. I wanted to keep something more minimalist, so I shoved everything into the closet because this room is still under construction, but this is what I have so far. And the video is long overdue, so I have to share this with you guys because I really wanted to show you the results of what I have so far and might keep my room this way. So yeah, enough blabbering. That's my closet. I'm not going to show you guys, and let's head over to the bed. So right over here is my bed. I decided to keep white sheets just because I like the color white, especially for my room. It's a really small room, so I wanted to keep it a really warm and like very bright color. And over there actually, I have my BTS Love Yourself poster right there, and it's right below my window, so it's really just somewhere that I really wanted to put it because I thought it belongs there. And over here I have flashing lights, fairy lights if you call it, whatever you'd like to call it. It has 5 different settings, which I'll probably show you guys later. And over here I have my EXO poster, OD12. Yeah, that hit me. But I have it basically there, just right where my bed is. And over here we have my favorite penguin plushie. His name is Brick, and he's been with me since the 2nd grade, and he's really soft and he's really cuddly too. And I just have my white pillow over there, and this is just my bed space. It's a really nice and cozy place, especially when I want to do homework or just watch YouTube, Netflix, all that fun stuff. I enjoy, like, you know, the fairy lights and keep them on for inspiration. And let's go actually check those light settings because it's pretty cool. Like this setting right here, you can basically press a button on the black box thing and you can just change the different settings to basically what you want. I usually prefer this one because it's like really calming and it just goes on and off, and then that's first. This is not fun, so that's the 2nd setting. This is the 3rd setting, and the 4th, no, the 5th is basically just the light stay still, which is really nice for like a light when I need to do homework and stuff, and I need a light source to do my work and see the stuff that I'm doing, and then just basically off. But we're gonna turn them back on to these ones and continue on our tour. So from my bed right there, I have my BTS Love Yourself poster, and as well as another accent blanket, whatever you call it, I'm not so sure what you call it. It's really soft and it's really like the material of my penguin plushie over there. Brick, yes, and it's really soft. I enjoy it, and it's really soft and cuddly, and yeah, blankets. And that's my phone right there, but I'm filming with my mom's phone because my phone is having issues with filming, and my camera is also having issues with filming, and it's just an issue all over. But I really wanted to film this room tour for you guys. So anyways, I have that bag right there, which is just we're gonna have this way. So this bag right here is basically just a leaf bag. I don't know what you want to call it. It's really just something simple that I picked up after getting a Christmas present from someone, and I thought, okay, maybe I should just use this as a, yes. Anyways, as a place to put my wires and stuff. I have an extension cord, my MacBook charger, an extra phone case. So it's a lot of miscellaneous stuff that I don't want to have like hanging around my room. So I decided to just put it in there and just drop stuff there and then take it out whenever I need it. And over here, I have a poster of Jungwoo from NCT. It came with one of my NCT albums that I got as a gift on Christmas, and I really wanted to, you know, put it there. I really thought it was a minimalist thing, and it's really cute. And Jungwoo's really cute, really talented. And I have this really random yellow rose right there just to give this wall right here a little bit of pop of color and contrast. And over here I have a standing mirror and my lamp, and a standing mirror that stands up and is a mirror. And I also have my lamp that lights up because it lights up because it's a lamp. And anywho, besides that, behind the standing mirror right here, I have a few hooks that comes with it. This I actually purchased at IKEA because IKEA is honestly pretty cool for furniture, but I got it a couple years back. I think in the 2017 tour, it was still there. I bought it like somewhere that time, is completely brand new. But I have a few baseball caps here and a few purses that I'm not using, but I use pretty often whenever I want to change. It's right there and really accessible. And over here, yes, I have a really random watch that I have there, hanging a lanyard, and also my umbrella light, which is not used too often, but I keep it behind here just because. Now we're gonna be moving to my desk space. Sorry guys, I'm trying to talk here and I don't know how to talk. So this is my desk space over here, and I just basically have this IKEA stool that I bought from IKEA and this table that I bought from IKEA. Sponsor me, IKEA. But it's basically just a stool. I don't do my homework at my desk too often. Believe it or not, I'm much more productive when I'm doing my homework at my bed. But yeah, this is basically just a space when I need a flat surface, or when I'm filming my DIYs, I would just pull it out and take all the stuff off the desk. So we're gonna start over here. I just have a couple of notebooks that I have laying around. This is a notebook from the end of the school year. I just have some really random subjects like my AP Stats, AP US, and my English. It's basically in a three subject right here. It's this one right here, but I just leave it for in case I really want to scribble notes. And this one right here is just a goals. This one right here is just a goals sort of journal sort of thing that I just, you know, like to write and collect my ideas in there. So those two are just basically just packs of like paper. Yep. And anywho, over here I have a book under it. It's called 400 Writing Prompts. It was something that I also got for Christmas, which is really cute. It's basically what it is. On the front cover it says 400 writing prompts, and it gives you a certain prompt and then you get to write about the prompt. I just started it just recently, so I don't have too many prompts responded to yet. And this right here is just a blank sketchbook that I have that I just keep it there in case I want to doodle. Even though I'm not an artist, I like to doodle and just doodle. Yeah. And anyways, besides my notebooks, I also have my Instax Mini 9 camera right here as well. It's a instant film, which is really cute. I got it as a birthday present 2 years ago. No, 1 year ago actually. 1 year ago for my 16th birthday. And right behind the camera, I have this paper stand sort of thing, but I decided to use it as a place to hold some of my albums. I have the BTS Love Yourself Heart album right behind it, and as well as In the Mood for Love Part 2, the pink version right there. And I cannot talk today, I apologize guys. And right here is my Big Hun photo book that I created myself, which you guys might have seen in my last upload. If you haven't already, check that out. And yeah, so besides that corner right here, I have some fairy lights that hang from this side of the window to the other side, and I also have some pictures of BTS. The Lomo cards that I decided to hang up with some clothespins just to keep it a little bit cutesy and kind of like an earthy sort of vibe to it. I think that was what my approach to this aesthetic was, just to keep it like a lot of flowers and very minimalist as much as I possibly can. So that's still under renovation, but this is what I have so far. And over there I have a mason jar that has a Sehun cutout chibi sort of drawing that I got from online, the internet. And I have my pen in there, my pens, and that's basically just a random jar to keep some random knickknacks in there. I also have this BTS calendar, yes, calendar, right there just to keep up to date, even though it's like July right now. I forgot to change that, but yeah, it's supposed to be July, but this is June. Not really. Okay. So yeah, anyways, over here I have my MacBook, and I have a few different stickers on there as well to cover up some splotches. It's a hand-me-down from my sister, so it wasn't in a really great condition. And over there I have a bare sort of change sort of container thing where I would just put random loose change that I find, and the Starbucks drink, which isn't really a Starbucks drink. I just poured pink lemonade into it just right after finishing a refresher drink from there, yes. And right there I have on the one in popsicle thing is a Bluetooth speaker, so whenever I wanted to listen to music I would just connect my phone to it and then it would just blast music through it. And right behind there I have an official Sehun EXO Growl photo card that came with the EXO album. No, not the EXO album, actually the Growl album, which I decided to just keep it there because he's cute and he used to be my ultimate bias. ... Big Ken's my ultimate bias now. ... Update. ... And anyways, over here I just have a framed version of the In the Mood for Love CD right there, just to keep it like that. I was really inspired by Pinterest for most of these DIYs for the quote-unquote aesthetic. And let's move over here. So over here is a little bit of clutter and it's a little bit of a mess, but anyways, it's just some stuff that I have nowhere to put them as of yet. So yeah, anyways, I have this bench right here that I leave two of my mugs here. One of the mugs right here, this first one has a little tin that has my name in it, and in the tin I just have really random loose earrings that are like studs. I put them in there, and also my watch, and underneath there, if you guys can, one second. Yeah, so these are basically just a lot of ticket stubs for the movies and also fortune cookie fortunes as well that I like to keep. And in the mug right in front of it I have some Polaroids that I took over the years of having my Polaroid for the first time. So I have them in like a collected like mug sort of thing right there. And over here is basically my purse. I just keep all of my daily essentials in there just so that I don't have to grab everything at once if I'm running out on to do errands for my mom or whatever, blah blah blah. And yeah, I just have some really random stuff there, and my Koya keychain. How cute! And yes, BT21. And so up here, right in front, well, right behind the bench, I just have this like really random flower floral thing that I made. It was really inspired by Pinterest because I just wanted to add some little pop of color into my room, but also kind of keep it in like a garden-y sort of vibe to it. And yeah, that's basically just something that I made by myself with loose flowers that I found in the storage. And over here I have my folded EXO Pepero box that I got on Pepero Day. I think it was 2 years ago at, what was the store? H-Mart. They had a promotion for like the Pepero box. I decided to pick it up, and you can just fold it into like a storage container thing, which I thought was pretty cute. And underneath it I have a Banana Republic box, which has all my unofficial K-pop goods such as Lomo cards, extra things that like comes with the album and stuff. It's just basically in that box for now. And speaking of which, all my K-pop albums unfortunately are in that storage bin for now because I don't have a shelf. I'm still trying to find a shelf at the moment to keep all my K-pop albums, just something that's really nice, small and cozy, but we're still looking for that, and it's still an adventure. And over here I have basically just my tripod and my ukulele. I don't play the ukulele ukulele quite as much as I play the piano because it's not my first instrument, but I just have it there in my case and my tripod right there for my camera whenever I have to film DIYs and stuff. And moving up here, I have my 17 poster, and it's just right there. I really thought that it would be cute just on this wall, and just simply because I really like the design of the poster because of the sunset. I really personally like it, so I just thought I'll put it here. And yeah, and over there I just have a BTS glitter ornament that I made for one of my, I think, Christmas DIYs. It's still there for some reason, and I just decided to put it there. And let's go to this side last but not least. And this right here is my piano. I decided to put it in here because the living room, we're still renovating and we're still moving some stuff, so it needs a home and a cozy home to be in. And so I have my piano right here and the bench right there. It's not plugged in at the moment because it's just not plugged in. I had to run an extension cord to the other side of the room, unfortunately, for it. But yes, I do play, and it's right here. And other than that, I have my camera that I use for my DIYs. Unfortunately, I couldn't use it to film this room tour because it's not working at the moment. There's just something wrong with the lens itself that I gotta get fixed. And over here, I have some of my headphones that are kind of like messily folded over there. So other than that, up here I have my EXO logo poster that came with one of my, I believe it was the Lucky One album that came out a couple years ago, and has basically all the EXO logos on it, and it's really cute. I decided to keep it up here because I just really like it and never brought it down. And over here I have a bulletin board that is more so for design because it's just, I had it for a while, but I didn't know what to put on it exactly. So over here I have a sticky note pad sort of thing that I use to write down sticky notes, and just a random sheet of paper that I would just stick sticky notes onto it to say that this is a reminder and this is important. And over here I have a smaller version of a Sehun poster on the bulletin board, just because I thought it would really look cute on there. And yes, we talked about this, he's not my ultimate bias anymore, but he still holds true to my heart. And other than that, I have a clipboard that I have attached to it and some flowers, and another baseball cap with the mini Korean heart thing. And last but not least, I have this thing right here, the light switch, which just does not work. And that's why I have to run the extension cord from my piano to the other side of the room to get the piano to actually work. So other than that, I have this channel board thing that I made a couple years back, but I decided to just put it up here and then clip some of the Polaroids that I made. Unofficial Polaroids, but the Polaroids that you guys might have seen in one of my DIYs that I did on this channel, and I decided to clip them there and add a couple of flowers right there. And yeah, and that's just basically it. And this right here, we come back to my door. It's honestly one of the really smallest spaces in the room. Yes, that made sense. It's one of the smallest bedrooms in my house, but however, it's really cozy in a place that I really enjoy coming home to. And you know, it's really cozy and I enjoy it. It's a really minimalist space. Or more so, I try to keep it minimalist and try to keep it as organized as possible. And yeah, this is basically my entire K-pop room tour, and there might be a little bit of renovations here and there, which I will keep you guys updated on. And other than that, stay tuned for more content, and I will see you guys in the next video. And without further ado, I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys!